that strike has been called to an end, or at least a temporary suspension, for the next 7 days, while negotiations take place as per what can be done for some kind of permanency. We're still taking a spot check around the country to have a look at what's been going on and the current state of things. Herman Kamariki is in Kitengela, and he's been following to see what's been going on. A very good afternoon to you, Herman. Have things changed significantly with the news of the strike having been called off?
Thank you so much, Ndu Oko. We are in Kitengela as I speak to you right now. And if my cameraman can just show you behind me, there are Matatus that have gone back to the road just a few minutes after an announcement that the strike of the Matatu operators and the TSVs has been suspended. As the cameraman Kibet can show you clearly here, there are people who are exactly boarding Matatus right now. Of course, the fare prices, or rather the prices, have increased a little bit, but these are saying that it is even a better relief for the conductors and as well as drivers who had been sitting on the fence since yesterday, not working, and these actually challenge their lives and their daily bread that they used to make every other time. So as we speak to you right now, Matatus are back on the road, although there are some that are still parked. My cameraman can show you just from far. You can see there are some Matatus that are parked from the other side. They have not gotten back to the road because the announcement was just made a few minutes ago, and the drivers haven't gotten back to the road, probably because they had decided to begin again a new day tomorrow. Of course, there are always those that are peak hours as well, and of course many other reasons to why they might not have gone back to the road. But this actually comes at a time where Kenyans are still asking the question if the fare prices are going to still remain the same as the negotiations goes on, or the prices won't be the same as well.
All right.
Studio.
Yeah. Kamariki, I mean, just thank you for sharing that with us. Just coming back to you in a while, of course, following what is going on in that particular area and getting an understanding as to, you know, folks saying they might come back later, they might come back tomorrow. But thank you for that.